SEARADAR coupon code and promo codes, how to save on GPS devices. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about SEARADAR and how you can apply some coupon codes. So let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can apply some promo codes on SEARADAR. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say that you can find these promo codes in the description. There will be a link, click on it, and you can easily apply these promo codes on your checkout. So let's get into it. So as you can see right here, I'm on the website SEARADAR, and SEARADAR is a website where you can rent out boats. So for example, if I wanted to rent out a yacht, all I would need to do is just simply click on the search yacht button over here at the top, select where I'm going. So let's say we want to go to Italy. Yeah, that's fine. And then we just input our dates, like these are the dates that we want. Then we click on apply filters. Then in that location we're going to see all the boats that are available over here. So you can see this is Olga, and this is the name of the boat. You can see right here all these different options. So 2012 model, 8 guest, furling sail, 44 feet long, 4 cabins, 2 washrooms, and yeah, pretty cool. Then you can just simply click on it. You can see right here, click on yacht details to see whether or not it's available. All right, you can see right here it has the free deposit pack. Boat is available with no security deposit, which is cool. It's low price guaranteed, so if you find something better, they'll lower it by 50 euros as well. You can see right here the availability. You can see on the map where it is as of right now, and yeah, and then you can just simply scroll between these images, see what you like, whether or not you like this boat or not. It looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. It's a pretty fun boat. You see right here, these are the 2 bedrooms. These are closets. This is the washroom right here. This is like the living room area, the kitchen, on the dining. I think there's also another washroom over here. So yeah, this is the kitchen, another one over here, living. This is, I think, a children's room. Yeah. And then over here I have, this is the one right here. I'm not sure. This looks like a bedroom, but maybe it is. I don't know. It's too hard to tell. Let's go ahead and cycle through these images. Yeah, and then just simply click on price details and you are good to go. Then here you can add a bunch of different options, like, you know, skipper pack, certified skipper, non-smoking, hand-picked match, right, stress-free package, full house service, total extraction. If you want some more options, you have all these options available over here. What if you want to have them odd? And then you're good to go, and they'll ask you a couple of questions, and then they'll contact you on WhatsApp. So yeah, then you can reserve this boat easily. So pretty cool. So make sure to check the link in the description below for those codes, and you should be good to go. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.